Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget cordless chainsaws in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is DeWalt DC-CS620B cordless chainsaw. DeWalt is another highly popular brand of power tools that makes a lot of power tools models. You can even find a great cordless electric chainsaw model from DeWalt that we have mentioned in this article. The DeWalt DC-CS620B cordless chainsaw is the first product in this article, and it is one of the best performing compact chainsaws. Since it has a 12-inch blade size, the overall size and form factor of this chainsaw is quite compact. And this DeWalt chainsaw is also quite lightweight, that allows you to carry it around without any issues easily. As per its name, it uses a 20V battery to power its blade using a high-efficiency brushless motor. Just like various other high-quality power tools from DeWalt, this cordless chainsaw has a great build quality. This chainsaw offers a chain speed of 25.2 feet per second, which is quite decent for its given size and battery power. Number 2. Our second best pick is BLACK+DECKER 20V Max cordless chainsaw. BLACK+DECKER is a brand of power tools that needs no introduction since it makes value for money power tools, including this cordless chainsaw. It offers one of the cheapest cordless chainsaw options available out there that we have mentioned here. The BLACK+DECKER LCS 1020 is yet another compact cordless chainsaw. As this is a budget chainsaw, it comes with a small 10-inch blade that makes it a great option if you are looking for compact and portable cordless chainsaws. This 10-inch blade is powered by a 20V battery that is more than enough for this blade size. You get various free accessories with this chainsaw despite its lower price tag. As a result, all of these things make it a great value for money option for a lot of users. Thankfully, the build quality offered by this chainsaw is quite decent when compared with other options in its class. Number 3. Our third best pick is Greenworks 16-inch 40V cordless chainsaw. As per its name, Greenworks is mainly known for making eco-friendly electric power tools and related accessories. Since chainsaws are also power tools, you can also find various electric chainsaws from Greenworks, including this cordless one. The Greenworks 20312 cordless electric chainsaw is the third product in this article, and it is a highly reliable option. Since it also offers a decent build quality, you can expect this chainsaw to last for a long time without any issues. As per its name, it comes with a 16-inch blade that is quite large for its given price. And since this 16-inch blade is powered by a decently powerful 40V Lithium-Ion battery, you can easily cut trees and tree branches using it. The battery of this cordless electric chainsaw also has a decent battery life due to its 2Ah capacity. And even if you run out of battery, you can easily replace it since the battery replacement mechanism of this chainsaw is quite simple. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is WORX WG32220V cordless chainsaw. WORX can be another great option if you are looking for affordable and value for money power tools. And the WORX cordless chainsaw mentioned here is the cheapest option here. The WORX WG322 is another compact cordless chainsaws in the article. Despite its highly affordable price tag, it offers a 10-inch blade and a 20V battery system. And this makes it a great option if you want an affordable and compact cordless chain for using at your home. You even get a 20V 2Ah battery and a charger with this electric chainsaw that makes it an excellent value for money product. You can also find features and options like automatic lubrication, chain tension adjust, and long battery life with this chainsaw. Since it weighs only 6.2 pounds, it is one of the most lightweight and portable options present in this article. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is EGO Power Plus CS1400 Cordless Chainsaw. EGO Power Plus is a highly popular brand of power tools out there due to its high-performance options. It offers a high-performance cordless chainsaw with a justified price tag that is present in this article. The EGO Power Plus CS1400 is one of the powerful cordless chainsaws in the list. As per its name, you get a 14-inch blade with this chainsaw that offers a great balance between size and cutting power. The high-efficient brushless motor is powered by a 56V battery. You get a great cutting performance from this cordless chainsaw, and you can easily cut trees and tree branches using this chainsaw due to its 6,300 RPM motor. Since this chainsaw uses a brushless motor, it is quite silent when compared with other options. As a result, it is the most durable and reliable cordless chainsaw option present in this article. It can last you a long time even if you are using it for heavy-duty applications. The options chosen in this list don't come with a battery and charger. A 2.5 Lithium-Ion battery is recommended. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.